So, hello everybody, and welcome to our sacred guidance for reweaving wholeness. This is Vanessa Tucker, and I'm Christa Mackinnon, and we are the co-founders of Women Weaving Change, the Modern Medicine Woman Training School. We are also the co-creators of the Medicine Woman Wisdom Cards, which we will use in this series recorded for 7 days of rest.
Thank you, Christa, and welcome everybody. Our offering for 7 days of rest, our overall intent is to offer sacred guidance for reweaving wholeness. And we're going to use the Medicine Woman Wisdom cards, as Christa said, for this. We're going to call in the energies of each day and use those forces, set an intent for each day, and offer the wisdom guidance that comes from the cards. Welcome to day 6 of the 7 days of rest. And today the focus is nature's dream. And so we'll start by calling in the force and the energies of nature's dream to be with us and guide us in our wisdom reading here today. So I ask that you, and I invite you to close your eyes and call in. I call in nature's dream. I ask that you share your dream with us, that you fill your hearts, our hearts, with your dream, that it may be known to us that your dream exists within all of us. And I ask that you guide us in our remembering, dreaming and becoming, so that we may dream the same dream, the collective dream, that humanity's dream may be nature's dream. Aho, blessed be.
Aho. So, and like every day, we will draw a card for sacred guidance to reweaving wholeness. And today, as Vanessa already said, it will be about nature's dream, of which we are part. We are part of her dream. But we also, in a holographic way, have the wisdom and the knowing of her dream. So I'm going to pull a card, and the intent for today will be, how can we dream as humanity? A dream that is in harmony with nature's dreaming. This is what this is all about, to come back to harmony, to be in harmony with nature's dreaming, because we have strayed far away from it as humans. So the intent is, how can we dream a dream that is in harmony with nature's dreaming? So I'm to come a bit higher up, shuffle the cards. How can we dream a dream, we collectively, that is in harmony with nature's dreaming? And I'm going to pull a card. And it's this one. And this card is really interesting. And the other one which fell out is as well. Shall I bring both?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry, one fell out. The first one, which I tried to draw, says step into your power. And it's interesting insofar that it is a nature card, but with a goddess in it. And the second card I pulled was be true to yourself. And at this moment in time, from where I'm sitting, I'm wondering, what has that to do with getting into harmony with nature's dreaming, so that we dream a dream again that is in harmony? So let's just see what the cards say. So we will keep this one short because we need to look at two cards. To do the step into your power first?
Yeah, I'll do a look at the wisdom guidance for step into your power. And it's step into your power, become the leader of the circle. And power is a difficult subject for women often, and men actually, but often for women. Patriarchal societies have systematically disempowered us, and the systems, the humanity is in fact actually often feeling disempowered right now in this time. We have different types of powers. We have power over, which is the power force of the kind of hierarchical forces. We have power with, so we have power with together, uniting, and power within. And I think this card is asking us here to bring forth the internal powers, to know the type of power that we actually truly have, and relating it back to be true to yourself card that's come alongside it, that's jumped out with it. That's quite interesting. So knowing our feminine mysteries and the medicine skills, the power that we have to make change, to dream the dream, to know nature's dream within. And let me just look at the message here. The medicine message here is you're kind of called to step up into the feminine power, to take courage, to become an inspiring leader, perhaps. You know, lead the dream. Lead the dream, bring the dream forth, share the dream with others, bring nature's dream out, know it, get familiar with it, with your own power. It's in you. As we said at the very beginning, we are a part of nature. She's embedded in our soul, in our souls and ourselves. You know, we are part of the dream ourselves. We know it. So then I'm going to move, let that just land, and move over to the other card, be true to yourself. And becoming truly ourselves is a journey. It's a rewarding journey that we can undertake. We can take off the mask, the soul damaging persona constructed by many ways of adapting in patriarchal society, and where we find ourselves perhaps with humanity right now. We can heal. We can heal the wounds that we've denied. We can bring truth forward, and the truth that we are nature, the truth that we are the dream. We are nature's dream. She has created us, and we are part of that cycle, and we can bring forth and harmonize with that dream. So being increasingly true to yourself, no matter what that brings, is not always an easy way of going about things. We are shaped again by society, but we can accept ourselves fully. And as we walk the path, we find it easier and easier to become authentic. So it's really getting in contact with that authentic self. And that authentic self is coexisting as part of nature's dream. So I'll bring this back now to our intent, which was how can you guide us in our remembering, dreaming, and becoming? And how can we dream a dream in harmony with nature? And maybe Christa could just raise the cards up again. How can we dream a dream in harmony with nature's dreaming and bring your dream into fruition? So step into our power, share our dream, and that's our individual and collective dream. Know that we are a spirit in nature. The first card is so simple. We are a reflection of the spirit in nature, a goddess standing with her wings spread in nature, stepping into that power. That is nature's dream, part of nature's dream. And the action, perhaps, that is our being, and the action to take that we can bring forth is to remember, to remove the masks, be true to ourselves, bring the truth forward as a collective truth that we are all a part of nature. We all have that spirit power within each and every one of us. And look towards expanding that and growing and following the rhythm of nature within our own dreams, accepting, offering, expanding, moving the collective dream and sharing it. Is there anything you would like to add towards that, Christa?
Yeah, this is not an easy one, because I mean, what it basically says is to take our responsibility here, no? Step into our power. And I think what it means, what the card means definitely with the power, is that innate power in our earth soul, as you rightly said. It is not about power, it is a circular power. It's a power which we share with nature, of creating, of birthing, and of nurturing. And that is the power we need to step into and be true to our deepest selves. Yeah, so that's all we can say about this. So basically, we give you time now to reflect upon this. This wasn't the easiest. It wasn't the easiest card in a way, was it? It wasn't a clear-cut interpretation. So we leave it up to you what you do with it. Be true to yourself and step into your power. And this is how we can harmonize and dream a dream which is in harmony with nature's dreaming. So, this was day 6, and we looked at nature's dream. And I hope you enjoyed it. Take from it what feels right for you, what resonates with you. And we really hope that you find it inspirational. And we look forward to see you again tomorrow for our last reading, which will be the call on the infinite. So, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye-bye.